using the Taurus for locking up. You can tell they're locked up because it feels like you're being dragged, like the brakes are kind of applying themselves, and the wheel gets super hot just from the brakes being applied without actually pressing the pedal. They're kind of just, they get locked when you depress them. So all you really got to do is on both the caliper, it's 212s, and the brake line's going to be 11 millimeter. Then you can just pry off the caliper.
I gotta get a 5-bar.
So it's pretty easy. You just got the 2 caliper bolts, and then you got to undo the brake line. It's these are 12s, brake line's at 11 millimeter. Once you get that off, you just slap on the new caliper and bleed it, and you're good to go. Alright, so here's the new caliper. It comes with new sliding pins and a brake pad retaining clip. So from here, all you got to do is slide in your new caliper. Make sure the piston's compressed, which it should be if it's a new caliper. And if you're doing this, you might as well throw in new pads. Make sure your slide pins are lubed up or greased. And it should come with new copper washers for the brake line. Make sure there's one above and below the brake line itself, the banjo bolt. So here's the banjo bolt. It's going to go washer. That's going to slide through the block. And then there's going to be another washer on the bottom side of the block. Like that. Washer on the bottom. Then from here you can go and put it back in the caliper. And then all you gotta do is bleed it and you're done. Easy as that. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.